In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Google account to Envato. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to link your accounts, enabling easier access to your Envato services using your Google credentials. Begin by logging into your Envato account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This area is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. After clicking on this icon, look for options labeled Account Settings or Settings. Within the account settings, locate the section that refers to connected accounts or social login options. This is where you will find the option to link your Google account. Ensure that your connection is secure, indicated by a padlock symbol in the address bar before proceeding with the next steps. Next, find and click on the option to connect your Google account. Upon doing this, a new window will open, prompting you to sign into your Google account. Enter your Google email address and password in the provided fields. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to complete that process as well. Once you have successfully entered your credentials, a permission screen will appear. Review the permissions that Envato was requesting and click Allow to grant access. This step is crucial as it securely links your Google account to your Envato profile, enabling seamless access in the future. After granting the necessary permissions, your Google account will now be linked to Envato. To confirm the connection, return to the account settings and check the connected account section. You should see your Google account listed there, indicating that the linking process was successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.